Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Chicken thighs are truly a cook's best friend, offering superior flavor and juiciness compared to leaner cuts like breasts. They are incredibly versatile, perfect for a wide range of dishes from weeknight dinners to special occasions. Plus, thighs are much more forgiving if you accidentally overcook them a little. You will achieve delicious results with a lot less stress, making them ideal for any home chef. The secret to amazing chicken thighs starts with proper preparation. First, pat them completely dry with paper towels. This is absolutely essential for achieving that irresistible crispy skin. Next, season generously with salt, black pepper, and your favorite spices on both sides for maximum flavor. You can also trim any really excessive fat, but do leave some for a richer taste and juicier outcome during cooking. To achieve truly restaurant-quality crispy skin, begin by placing your seasoned thighs skin side down in a cold, oven-safe skillet. Then, turn the heat to medium. This slower approach allows the fat to render out gradually, ensuring an incredibly crispy skin without burning. Let them cook undisturbed for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are a beautiful, deeply golden brown color. After your thighs have achieved that beautiful crispy skin on the stovetop, it is time to finish them off in the oven. Simply flip them over in the same skillet and transfer it to a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on their size. This step ensures the chicken cooks evenly all the way through, resulting in wonderfully tender and perfectly juicy meat. The final, crucial step for incredible chicken thighs is letting them rest. Once removed from the oven, transfer them to a cutting board and let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing maximum tenderness and flavor in every bite. Serve your perfectly cooked, juicy chicken thighs with your favorite roasted vegetables or a crisp, fresh salad for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.